this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of February 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'll also use some oracle decks, possibly a love oracle deck, and Celtic Lenormand for messages from the universe. So let's just dive into your reading without wasting any further time. Towards the final days of January 2021, stepping into February, we have the Six of Swords for Taurus. Certainly, I think you were called upon to move forward, or maybe you were in a situation where you had to act quickly. Basically, I think for Taurus, towards the end, everything fell in place. Maybe paperwork had also increased in this period. Because to overcome this month for Taurus, we have the Fool card. Certainly, this is the energy of movement which you are carrying forward from the final days of January. You are called upon to make those travel plans, or you are being called upon to be up and about. Another thing I'm also picking up, that there could be roadblocks or impediments in this journey, but then you are someone who is going to carry forward. Besides, I think Taurus, you're going to work non-stop because you want to achieve your ends, but then this could also have an effect on your health. While dealing with clients, I think it would be prudent for you to be more tactful. As the leader of the pack, you will find that there are rivals who are there, but then you will find the administration or the management coming forward in your support. So that could be pleasing to your ears. Maybe for some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be new gadgets that you're investing in. Influences for the month of February, we have the Temperance card. Certainly you have to deal with those delays that are going to be there, but then you will achieve your end. So that is the plus that you take away from this month. Sometimes you may also find yourself getting worked up for nothing. Maybe you're accused of being self-centered, or you're accused of creating squabbles or misunderstandings. So better to stay within your limits, or maybe you are being called upon to watch your tongue. Some of you are also picking up that you may be a bit hassled because your home life is disturbed. Nonetheless, I think Taurus, in this month you should build up on your contacts, and you should be happy because payment could come in, but then there could also be taxation issues that you're dealing with. For some of you, I'm also picking up that the work environment could be a bit claustrophobic or oppressive, but then you should deal with these challenges. It's not good to surrender to whatever is going on around you. The first 10 days of February, we have the King of Swords. Certainly paperwork is going to increase in this period, or maybe there could be technical matters that you have to handle. It would also be advisable to take advice from a senior person, possibly a father figure. I think Taurus, you are someone who wants to take your time, and then you want to move ahead. So this could unnerve people around you, possibly your father or the boss whom you are dealing with. Another thing, I think you will also feel that it's always you who has to take the onus. Responsibility will definitely increase. I think you're the flag bearer, and you understand that you have to do the work, but then you will also have those arguments because you feel that everything comes down to you. Money could also be a bone of contention. Maybe there could be issues or arguments with respect to money or financial issues. This is also the time when you will think of enrolling for a course, or maybe you want to enhance your skill set, you want to study. But you should be very careful before you commit yourself to anything. Bookkeeping could also be there this month, so you have to deal with that as well. In case you are using your guile to make gains, then you should be careful because someone could blow the whistle, or everything could come out in the open, and this could leave you a bit sheepish. Taurus, who are the helm of affairs, I think you will establish yourself. You will definitely come across as someone who has dug in, or who has cemented his position at the workplace. Maybe while you had started off, there was talk that you may not survive the baptism by fire, but you come away making headway or making those policy changes, and this is going to be noticed by the management. Again, even if you're dealing with legal matters, I think you will get success. Towards the next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th of February, for Taurus, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Certainly communication is going to bring in gains. It is the time to make hey, while the sun shines. Your productivity will be something which you'll be happy about. Sometimes, you may find yourself in doing tasks and you may be distracted, so you could take up another task and then complete this earlier task later on. I think in case you're looking for employment opportunities, I think you shouldn't set yourself or set your hopes too high because your expectations may not be met. Nonetheless, while dealing with clients also, I think you should make allowances for them if you want to make some headway. Other than that, I think Taurus, you should also watch your tongue because your poise could desert you this month. So maybe you shouldn't be too temperamental. Towards the final days, that is 21st to 28th February, we have the Strength card. Surprises are in store for you. In case you're expecting payment from your clients, then you can get your dues in this period. Basically, it's a time to capitalize. Throughout this month, there will be opportunities to make gains. Maybe you're also coming across as someone who's not pushy, that is going to be appreciated. Maybe you're someone who weighs the pros and cons and you're not forceful. Rather, you're very practical. So this is going to be something which will bring you plaudits or which will bring you accolades. Minor returns apart, this will be a fruitful period. I think Taurus, you can expect, like I said, you can expect praise, but you're someone who's not going to blow your own trumpet. Others could want to make a big deal of your achievements. I think in this period also, Taurus, you're someone who is going to be quite firm while dealing with clients. Maybe you want to do away with those clients who always want to extract the pound of flesh, but they don't want to be more generous or open-handed when it comes to paying up. Collaborations will also bring you gain, so you need to network and you need to collaborate with other people or cooperate with other people. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be delays on account of unavailability of equipment or on account of poor net connectivity. With respect to your love life, we have the card, I'm afraid to take that next step right now. Possibly, Taurus, you are suffering from commitment phobia, or in case you're dealing with someone or love interest, this person is fearful of forming an attachment with you. Those who are single Taurus, I think you will be rejecting prospective suitors. Maybe you are going to leave them heartbroken. On the other hand, you may also find an ex-flame trying to reach out to you in this month, but then you have got nothing to do with him because you've already moved on from that relationship. Those who are crushing on someone, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. You definitely are missing him or you definitely are yearning for him. Maybe you also want him to acknowledge his feelings for you. That is why this card. You wish he wasn't afraid to take that next step with you, or maybe you want the relationship to ascend. Nonetheless, I think you think one day you will be reunited. Those who are romancing Taurus, I think you can expect witty exchange with your person. Maybe sometimes there'll be those days when there'll be a closeness, but at other times you may find that your lover or your love interest is quite distant. For some Taurus, I'm also picking up that there could be opposition to your love life. Maybe your loved ones could dissuade you from getting close to this person. You may also be worrying because you think that someone could talk about your secret relationship, or you could let the cat out of the bag. Nonetheless, I think Taurus, those who are romancing, I think you'll be discussing your childhood, or you may bring up past issues that you want your person to be aware of. Married Taurus, I think you're dealing with a person who's quite suspicious. Maybe sometimes you may feel that you are being made the fall guy or that you're being blamed for no rhyme or reason. Thankfully, there'll also be those times when you understand that there's no point overreacting to situations. In case you're in an unhappy situation or in case you're in an unhappy marriage, I think then you will be quite disturbed or distressed because maybe your partner could talk about your unhappy marriage with the third person. Basically, you want everything to remain behind closed doors. You feel as though you're unwanted or there's neglect or you're being neglected in the relationship. Maybe you think that as long as you do everything for your person, you are wanted. Otherwise, he disregards your presence. The health of your partner or your child could also be a matter of concern in this month. From Celtic Lenormand, we have the card Garden. That is a community of people. Certainly, you're called upon to network with people. Maybe you need to catch up with friends, interact with them so that you could talk about your talents and skills, and maybe the contacts could help you make progress. Basically, I think Taurus this month you'll be socializing, or you may be someone who's being called upon to go outdoors. Another card we have here is Birch Rods. You have to sweep away old patterns. Maybe there are negative emotions or negative feelings that you need to do away with. Cleansing rituals will definitely benefit Taurus this month. I'm also feeling that because you're going to use your tongue as a whiplash, so it may not go down well with some people. Nonetheless, you have to do what you have to do, Taurus. I hope, Taurus, you liked our reading. This is Star with Ariana Star. Please give us your feedback in the comments section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.